How you guys doing? This is my Clifton Strength for Student Expression presentation by Alfredo Montes. My 5 Clifton strengths are command, competition, futuristic, self-assurance, and significance. Command and competition describe me the most. I feel like I am a leader, and I love a good competition, and I love to strive to be the best at what I do. I feel like I see competition the most. I am an athlete. I play multiple sports, so striving to be the best and striving to always work harder and be better than what I was yesterday is definitely something I see on a day-to-day basis. Futuristic surprised me the most. My major is architectural design in the construction field. So futuristic was definitely something that came into play, which surprised me, but didn't know it was gonna be there, but matches up perfectly. Significance and self-assurance, I anticipate on using the most in college, because college could be such a headache, and it's good to reassure yourself and get through it all the time. For command, this picture related to me the most. It's a guy leading his team in the right direction. For competition, this quote: "You can't always be the most talented in the room, but you can be the most competitive." I feel like I've been in rooms with superstars, and as far as work ethic, I've always had the hardest work ethic and tried to be the best, even though other people in the same room had more talent or more strive. I was there putting in the hard work and matched up with those guys that were the most talented, but I was the most competitive. Next, for futuristic, I feel like this photo describes my inspiration for architectural design. I always looked at Tron and that futuristic look for the future, and it's what got me into architectural design, and this picture matches up perfectly. For significance, when I thought about significance, I thought about what's significant in my life, and priorities is definitely at the top of my list. I feel like everything has to be in order and everything has a way to do it. So priorities definitely came to my mind when I thought about significance. And finally, for self-assurance, sometimes you have to look at yourself in a different way, and you have to reassure yourself. And this little kid didn't look at himself in the mirror, but seeing a lion or a tiger, I think it was one funny, but also something that everyone should involve in the day-to-day life. It's definitely motivational. It definitely gave me a good laugh, and I thought it was perfect for this work. That is my presentation. Thank you so much.